Hello, and thank you for joining us to learn more about the Vanderbilt ACT365 Cloud-Based Access Control solution. ACT365 delivers complete scalability while allowing users to manage multiple sites from a single user-friendly cloud interface without the added expense of local servers and IT resources. Our most recent release adds support for Schlage ENGAGE Series locks. By utilizing the ENGAGE IP gateway, these locks seamlessly integrate with ACT365 to provide a cost-effective solution that is easy to install and simple to manage. In this webinar, we'll take you through some of the features that highlight the flexibility and convenience of this cloud-based solution. Let's get started. ACT365 can be accessed from any laptop, PC, smartphone, or tablet with internet access. The software is hosted on Microsoft Azure, and data moving to and from the system is encrypted. This solution is fully scalable not only within a specific location, but across multiple sites, and all can be managed through the same software interface, including our mobile application. Not only does ACT365 support traditional access control installations using our ACU or Access Control Unit panels, where each panel is wired to a reader, but now with the Schlage ENGAGE Series lock integration, we are able to support wireless installations as well. The Schlage NDEB and LEB locks seamlessly integrate with Vanderbilt ACT365 to provide networked real-time communication to the ENGAGE IP gateway and eliminate the need to run wires to interior doors, concrete openings, and remote locations. These locks were purposefully designed for easy retrofit and can be installed in an existing mechanical door prep. For anyone unfamiliar with the Schlage ENGAGE Series wireless locks, they communicate via Bluetooth to the ENGAGE IP gateway. Each gateway can support up to 10 wireless locks, though additional gateways may be required depending on the distance from each lock. The ACT365 architecture supports both traditional readers and wireless locks, allowing the flexibility to design a hybrid solution to best meet a customer's needs and requirements. We are seeing ACT365 being installed across a variety of different types of businesses, from small and medium-sized facilities to multi-site locations, including franchises. With centralized cloud management, it's perfect for businesses that do not share a common network, as well as those businesses with limited IT resources for managing servers and applications. Let's switch things up now and take a quick tour through the software. You'll notice I'm logged into the installer portal. The installer dashboard provides a quick look at the overall health of customer sites. Here, an installer can view door health, push firmware updates, and get a general idea of any system issues in order to determine if they need to dispatch service or not. Google Maps integration allows them to see all of their customer locations in one place. You can link to a specific customer by clicking the map pin, or you can view your installed customer base by clicking on the Quick Links shortcut. Unlike traditional ACU panels with card readers or other devices, Schlage locks are not added to ACT365 directly. Instead, they are commissioned via the Allegiant Engage app. The locks are added and linked to an Engage IP gateway within that app, which then automatically syncs them to ACT365. Installers who do not already have the Allegiant Engage app account can request an invitation for themselves and other site managers they would like to include on the account. This can be done from right within ACT365 at the same time they register the site as an Allegiant site. Once the locks sync to ACT365 and show as online, they can be configured in the Doors section, just like in ACU. Door commands can be managed either from within the software by selecting an option from the drop-down list or from the ACT365 mobile app. In the Customer Portal view, you'll see a similar dashboard, although with a bit more detail. Here I'll review a specific site. Users can customize the dashboard by dragging and dropping different widgets, for example, card holders currently on site, or live events. The desktop can be further customized by dragging the tiles to change the layout. The menu bar on the left is where you'll find system programming for hardware, time zones, card holders, and access privileges. An extensive list of reports include audit events, attendance, and the recently added traceability report, which allows you to enter a date and time range for a cardholder and return a list of other cardholders that accessed that same door within that specific time frame. Before we wrap up, there are a few more features I'd like to point out. You'll notice a lockdown button at the top of the screen. ACT365 supports various options for putting a system into a lockdown state. Depending on customer preferences, lockdown can be programmed to be initiated either through an external panic button, a normal card reader, a dedicated reader specific to lockdown, a PIN code, and here through the software. The card format editor allows you to create custom formats if they are not already in the system. ACT365 includes 6 different formats, but you can create your own should you require a different one. The system also supports virtual access cards and mobile credentials. The virtual access card generates a QR code that gets emailed from the system to a user. They can then present that code on their smartphone to a barcode reader. Another option for remote credentialing is the ACT ID mobile credential. Used in conjunction with wavelengths readers, users can download the credentials to their phone using the Vanderbilt ACT ID mobile app from Google Play or the App Store. These credentials are available for free download and usage and can be added to the cardholder record by a system administrator. ACT365 provides the flexibility of managing your security system from virtually anywhere. Add or block user access or open and lock down doors from a PC, laptop, or smartphone. Remote Diagnostics offer the convenience of troubleshooting issues from a mobile device, allowing everyone to get more done more easily and in less time. For questions or to learn more, please contact us either by phone at 855-316-3900 or through email at sales@vanderbiltindustries.com. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.